Welcome to Reading 100. This video is going to give you an overview of, under Explore in a module, the weekly overview and time management calendar. When you look at your modules, you'll notice, as we've talked about before in another video, how we are set up into 4 categories: engage, explore, apply, and evaluate. What we're going to be looking at in this video is the overview that you'll see under Engage every week. This is where you want to start. What the overview does for you, first of all, it will give you a summary of the topics and the content that are covered in week 1. We're going to share with you what the district course competencies for Reading 100 will be covered during that week, and the objectives that we have for the course, and what we would like you to also accomplish for that week. Remember, these competencies will show up over and over again as the weeks go on, because we start with knowledge, we build on that knowledge, and we increase our knowledge as the weeks go by. So you're going to be seeing some of these competencies over and over again, because we know that learning happens over time, not in a short period of time. The other element that you're going to see in the overview is your assignment checklist. And in that assignment checklist, it's going to tell you all of the assignments that you have due for the week. It's going to tell you the due dates for those assignments, and it's going to assign a point value for those assignments as well. So as you can see here, you have some assignments that will be due. It tells you the point value for each of those assignments, how many points total will be due for that week, and then it gives you due dates. And you'll see here that you have some assignments due on Wednesdays. For the discussion boards, you will see that you have 2 due dates, and there's a video that's going to go in depth on discussion boards, so please make sure that you watch that. But it's very important for you to pay attention to these due dates. The due dates are always on Wednesday, Friday, or Sunday. We've done this to help you organize your work throughout the week so that you aren't delaying your work and doing it all on Sunday before everything is due. If you'd like, you can check or print this off and check off as you're going through each assignment to remind yourself what you've done and what you haven't done. You can copy it, paste it someplace, and just, X things off as you complete them. Again, it's just to help you keep you organized. The next and last piece in our overview for the week is we've provided for you a time management calendar. And we want you to think about how you want to manage your time as you're working through this course and also other courses. The biggest concern that students have with online courses is time management. I would probably dare to say that every student has issues with time management when they are working in an online class and in a face-to-face class as well. So we're trying to help you out here to give you an idea of how you might want to go about your work. So on Mondays, we tell you what you might want to start doing. You need to read, you need to watch, you need to begin. And again, we talk to you about things that you need to complete if assignments are due on Wednesday. What do you need to complete on Fridays? What you need to complete on Sundays. So again, this is to keep you organized. I would strongly suggest you coming back to that portion of the module over and over again to keep you organized. That's the key, that's the ticket to success in any course. Remember, you've got this. Take care.